Solve a Rubik's Cube, because today I am solving a Rubik's Cube. See, I already solved it, but wait. I'm going to solve it again. I'm mixing it up. Mix. Just mix. Just mix it up. Just keep mixing.
Pandora listeners, try Free Prints, the free app that lets you get all those great photos off your phone and into your hands in just days. Free Prints lets you print up to 1,000 4x6 photos a year, absolutely free. All you pay is a small shipping charge. It's easy. Just select the photos you want to print, choose the sizes and quantities, and you're done. The app is free and so are the prints. No subscriptions, no commitments, just free prints. Tap now to download.
Okay, just mix. Okay, it's all mixed, okay? Okay. See it? Okay. I'm gonna fix it back. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna mix it up again. Mix it up really good. Keep mixing. Done. Okay, ready, set, go. Done. Wait, one more. Switch the doodle. There we go. There we go. It's all fixed. There. All fixed. Okay, blue side, orange side, red side, green side, lime side, orange side, yellow side. Done. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Finally done. Okay. Finally done. Bye.